These birds over here, they love bread. As you can see, I just put that there a couple seconds ago, and here they are. Every morning, coming to eat bread. Seems like they have some babies somewhere because they're just carrying bread. Usually they don't do that when they don't have babies. They just eat. But as you can see, they are carrying some chunks of bread. So most likely they have some babies somewhere. Leave a comment, let me know what you think or know about the birds. Where are they carrying bread? Oh, I saw them share right there. Interesting. I got them a swimming pool, but they're not interested in that. Once in a while they drink water from that, but all they want to do is eat bread. Pretty busy. I love watching birds. That is awesome. Alright, give us a like, subscribe, support us. And we shall see you on the next video. Come back and watch our playlists. Seems like they're wasting my bread. They're just carrying big chunks.